Okay, to start, you want to pry this piece from up here. Pry the speaker grill off. You have 3 screws there. You have another screw here, another one in there. Take it off, hold it in there. You pry around here, pull it apart. Now your door panel ready to come out. You gotta slide this forward, then pull it out. You have like a tablet at the back. Now the door panel ready to come off. Okay, when you get the door panel off, you have a wire right here. You have to push the tab in, pull it out. You have another wire for your speaker. Push it. And the door panel is off. Set it to the side. Okay, now you have this plastic on there. You just pull it off, have some kind of adhesive on it. I unplugged my wire from a window switch so I can fish it through that hole. Also from the power lock. Fish it through the hole. Pull the plastic bag for that expose the screws you're trying to get to. Here. Take it. Back when I get the plastic off. Okay, got all the plastic pulled back. Since I'm replacing the regulator also, I had to remove these 3 screws for the window motor, these 4 for the window regulator. Let me get them out, but I'll get you back on. Okay, got all the screws out. What you want to do now is pretty much grab the regulator through the hole over here. Fish it up to the top. Got the motor. Okay, to get the regulator out, you have to turn it sideways. You come out this hole, and notice there's a couple of the bolt holes have like the little channels on it. That's for when you just start it, you can just slide it in. Okay, let me put it in, I'll get right back on. Okay, what I did next is I reconnected my window switch. So you gotta like line the holes up. Or if you put the window in, that's where you put the screws through. And I cleaned the channel out with a flat blade screwdriver and vacuum most glass up I can. Now we're ready for it to put the window in. Okay, got the one set in. Had to put it in through the outside, fold it down. But here's the hole that I mentioned. I had to take the top screw out of this one and rotate it down so I can get access to this hole better. Now I just need to use my 10mm socket and a short extension and fish the bolts through and tighten them up. Okay, got my bolts tightened, got the window in, just turn on the switch, make sure everything works properly. There we go. Just gonna double check my bolts and start reassembling everything. Okay, so I got one back in. Let me hold this back up. Replace this screw. Window switch. Place the plastic. back in. This one through. Sitting back on. Right. Put back in place. Start replacing the screws. What they heard. This one for the window switch. That one back there. Get that one back in. That's just make it real. And the last piece. And that is done.